Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is concise. Let's discover what this useful communication word means. Concise means expressing ideas clearly and briefly, without using unnecessary words. A concise message is short, focused, and easy to understand. Here's an example. Please keep your presentation concise so that everyone has enough time for questions. This means the presentation should be short, clear, and focused on the most important information. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word concise? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English with us. See you soon!